So, let's start off with the Sun. The Sun is the star at the center of the solar system. It is a nearly perfect sphere of hot plasma with internal convective motion that generates a magnetic field via a dynamo process. It is by far the most important source of energy for life on Earth. The diameter of the Sun is 1,390,000 kilometers. Now let's go to the next planet, Mercury, which is 57,910 kilometers away from the Sun. Mercury is known as the smallest and the innermost planet in the solar system. Its orbit around the Sun takes 87.97 days, the shortest of all the planets in the solar system. Because the planet is so close to the Sun, Mercury's surface temperature can reach a scorching 840 degrees Fahrenheit, 450 degrees Celsius. However, since this world doesn't have much of a real atmosphere to entrap any heat, and night temperatures can plummet to minus 275 Fahrenheit or minus 170 centigrades. Mercury speeds around the Sun every 88 Earth days, traveling through space at nearly 112,000 miles per hour, faster than any other planet. The diameter is 3,032 miles. Next up is Venus, which is 108,200 kilometers away from the Sun. Venus is the second planet from the Sun. It is named after the Roman goddess of love and beauty. The second brightest natural object in the night sky after the moon, Venus can cast shadows and rarely is visible to the naked eye in broad daylight. It is the only planet named after a female deity, or god, and it is the brightest planet in the solar system. Now we come to our planet, the Earth. It is 149,600 kilometers away from the Sun. Earth is the third planet from the Sun and the only astronomical object known to harbor life. According to radiometric dating and other evidence, Earth formed over 4.5 billion years ago. Earth's gravity interacts with other objects in space, especially the Sun and the Moon, which is Earth's only natural satellite. It is the third planet from the Sun. It's the only planet known to have an atmosphere containing free oxygen, oceans of water on its surface, and of course, life. It takes Earth 23.934 hours to complete a rotation on its axis and 365.26 days to complete an orbit around the Sun. Next up is Mars, which is 227,940 kilometers away from the Sun. Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun and the second smallest planet in the solar system, right after Mercury. It orbits the Sun in 14.5 miles per second. Diameter is 4,220 miles. Its atmosphere is mostly carbon dioxide, some water vapor, and yeah, the number of moons it has is 2. Now moving on to the outer planets. Let's start off with Jupiter. It is 778,330 kilometers away from the Sun. Jupiter is the fifth planet from the Sun and the largest in the solar system. It is a gas giant with a mass 1,000 that of the Sun, but two and a half times that all of the other planets in the solar system combined. Here are some facts about Jupiter. Jupiter is massive. It cannot become a star. It is the fastest spinning planet in the solar system. The clouds on Jupiter are only 50 kilometers thick. The Great Red Spot has been around for a long time. Jupiter also has rings. Jupiter's magnetic field is 14 times stronger than Earth's. And last but not least, Jupiter has 67 moons. Then we come to Saturn, which is my favorite planet. It is 1,426,940 kilometers away from the Sun. Saturn is the sixth planet from the Sun and the second largest in the solar system, right after Jupiter. It is a gas giant with an average radius of about 9 times that of Earth. It only has one-eighth the average density of Earth. However, with its larger volume, Saturn is over 95 times more massive. The orbital period of Saturn is 29 years. Now let's talk about Uranus, which is 2,870,990 kilometers away from the Sun. That's a long distance. Uranus is the seventh planet from the Sun. It has the third largest planetary radius and fourth largest planetary mass in the solar system. Uranus is similar in composition to Neptune, and both have bulk chemical compositions, which differ from that of the larger gas giants, Jupiter and Saturn. Uranus is known to have 27 moons. It is the coldest planet in the solar system, and it has rings around it. And the orbital period is 84 years. Now the last planet, Neptune. It is 4,497,070 kilometers away from the Sun. It is the eighth and the farthest known planet from the Sun in the solar system. In the solar system, it is the fourth largest planet by diameter, the third most massive planet, and the densest giant planet. Neptune is 17 times the mass of Earth, slightly more massive than its near twins, Uranus. Here are some facts about Neptune. Neptune is the most distant planet from the Sun. It is the smallest gas giant. A year on Neptune lasts 165 Earth years. Neptune is named after the Roman god of the sea. Neptune has 6 faint rings, and its orbital period is 165 years.
This is to scale.
Thank you.